Drive Hub has been designed to cater for small or large projects with 2 card frame systems. Minipack is an all-in-one 6 card capacity product with the main Drive Hub rack mounting system, scalable from 12 cards upwards in banks of 12. The Minipack means you can reduce your cabling runs out to your light fittings by grouping your lighting into logical areas and placing wall-mounted Minipacks where you need them. You still have all the same benefits of redundancy, monitoring and reliability as they are all connected via a standard network. For areas where you have the space, in an electrical room or comms room, the main modular rack mounting system comes into its own. It means the cards and power supplies are easily serviceable, working in a clean environment and run up to 12 kilowatts of capacity per power frame. For projects requiring large numbers of control channels or high power demands, Drive Hub rack mount is the way to go. The wall-mounted Minipack fits a more distributed approach and is great for retrofit and those more awkward projects. The unique thing I love about Drive Hub is the power system. It's very clever with no single point of failure. It's a bit like a steel bridge, designed to take the load safely, even if some sections get damaged in an accident. The multiple power blocks in Drive Hub all work together to share the load. If one fails, the others take up the slack. As the power supplies are the weak link in normal lighting installations, with Drive Hub you will never see a light out in your building. Another great thing that helps Drive Hub keep your lights always on is the simplicity. Alternative systems rely on much more complex cabling, interconnects and electronics, creating points of failure, especially systems like PoE lighting. Drive Hub is engineered just for lighting and keeps everything very simple. And simple means reliable. I'm really excited about how Drive Hub monitors. The main advantage is when a power supply or card fails anywhere in the Drive Hub system. This is instantly logged and an email sent to the GDS service centre or a dedicated person on the maintenance team in the building. In addition to showing faults, Drive Hub has a large suite of reporting that is available on the web server, from usage data, heat mapping, scene control, sensor logging and real-time event reporting. These features are really useful and bring a new until now unknown dynamic for usage monitoring. The fan filtering is also a nice touch. It's a design detail on both Minipack and rack, and it's easy to clean during maintenance periods. I love the way you can just have a simple working system or make Drive Hub highly configurable for your application. So, these are our drive cards. What is great about Drive Hub is the various control options available. We have a large range of cards that allow any type of light to be controlled, from small point sources to 300 watt large space lighting. The cards are simply selected for each project and can fit into both the Minipack or rack mounted frames. This means you can easily control everything using Drive Hub, making it a true one-stop solution. Our highest output drive card will deliver 2 channels at 7 amps. This is the highest modular output available on the market today, and it really does open opportunities for driving larger lights used for spaces and area lighting. The 1.5 amp 4-channel card is great for mid-range LED lighting, like 50 watt fittings used in retail or mid-range ceiling heights. Having 4 channels is also convenient for colour tune applications, keeping the number of cards to a minimum. The main workhorse for commercial lighting applications is our 700 mAh card. It packs a fantastic 8 channels in such a small footprint, so a Drive Hub 2U card frame can be up to 96 channels of control, or the Minipack 48. It's perfect for general office panels, downlights, meeting rooms or anything around 30 watts of power. Our CV card is designed for any product requiring constant voltage. Normally, these are used in LED strip applications such as cove lighting. It comes in a single high power channel, a large 10 amps, or a flexible 4-channel option, particularly useful for colour change scenarios. Where the customer has to integrate into existing cabling or even prefers normal mains, the IPM card, standing for Integrated Power Management, delivers data and power to your lights. You can use our clever smart bulbs, breakout boxes, to translate the data to control the LED light. The high density nature of something like the 8-channel card make multiple control applications extremely easy, with up to 96 separate control channels per card frame. A really outstanding control density in a small package. When Drive Hub is installed, you remove the need to have drivers in hard to reach places. All the drivers are removed from the space, just leaving the more reliable LED heads. Most of the time, lighting is by nature installed at height, so removing the need for servicing in the main lighting space has clear benefits from a safety perspective. Being low voltage, Drive Hub does not have the same electrical dangers associated with normal mains voltage lighting systems, and this has a big impact on increasing safety for the install and maintenance team. Drive Hub is also designed for parts to be hot swapped safely without having to remove covers and expose potentially dangerous voltages. Drive Hub is a reliable, cost-effective drive system that will ensure your lights are always on. Welcome to the future of lighting.